What if Google stops sending traffic to your website tomorrow? Would your business survive? That's not hypothetical anymore. With Google's new AI mode, the search giant is cutting out the middleman. And that middleman is you. If you are a small business relying on organic traffic, this change could hit hard. But don't panic just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to adapt and stay visible even when Google keeps the clicks for itself. Ignore it, and you risk disappearing from your customers' screens. And coming up in this video, you are going to learn what's Google AI mode. I break down what this shift really means in plain English and why it's not just another algorithm update. How does it impact small businesses like yours? We'll look at how it changes the way people find you online and what parts of your current SEO strategy might become obsolete. What can you actually do to survive and even grow in this new era? I'll show you how to reframe your SEO goals, adjust your content strategy, and get your business in front of customers even when the clicks don't come from traditional search results. Here's how your online visibility used to work. You create valuable content, publish it, people search for it, and domino by domino, they find your website and become customers. But now, with Google's new AI mode, there's an intruder in the chain. And guess what? That intruder is greedy. It intercepts the user before they ever reach you, answers their question, solves their problem, and moves on without ever sending them your way. The chain breaks, the clicks disappear, and your content invisible. What is Google AI mode really? Let's break it down. Google AI mode isn't just a prettier search box. It's a complete transformation in how Google delivers answers. Think of it like this. Instead of being a librarian who sends you to the right book, Google now wants to be the book. It's more like a direct answer engine, powered by a large language model, specifically Gemini 2.5 Pro. When a user searches in AI mode, Google breaks the query into dozens, sometimes hundreds, of subqueries using a technique called query fan out. It then compiles a natural language answer, often with citation, but here's a catch. The user doesn't need to click on a website to get their answer. It's designed to keep people inside Google. No need to sift through blue links or navigate away. It's fast, personalized, and direct. Think ChatGPT, but embedded into Google search. So yes, it's efficient for users. But as you can imagine, it's creating massive challenges for publishers, SEOs, and businesses who rely on organic traffic. And if your business relies on people clicking through to your website, that's a huge deal. What it means for small businesses. Now, let's talk real consequences. Your site could still be technically ranking, but you may see fewer clicks. Why? Because users are getting their answers before they see your link. That means organic traffic, your traditional lifeline, is under threat. Here's how it changes the game. Click-through rates are dropping. Google now solves queries directly in the AI mode box, so users never have to visit your website. Top-of-funnel content becoming obsolete. Informational blog posts are often answered entirely by AI. Rankings are becoming unpredictable. AI-generated responses vary by user, context, and device, so not all users necessarily see the same result. It's not just visibility that's changing. It's your entire customer acquisition funnel. So what now? Do we just give up? No way, we can't. We have businesses to do. We changed the goal. Our new SEO goal is visibility within the AI interface. Instead of focusing on being the top blue link, we need now to be the source Google AI pulls from. That means creating depth across related subtopics, structuring your content in a way that makes it easy for AI to understand, covering mid to bottom funnel queries in depth. You don't need to be the loudest voice. You need to be the most trustworthy one. The AI needs to see you as the go to expert in your space. And you need to be everywhere your audience searches, scrolls, watches, and clicks. AI doesn't just scrape your site, it pulls from across the internet. So your visibility depends on your total digital footprint, not just your website. But as a small business owner, you need to start focusing on whether you are present in the answers users actually see, and this visibility generates revenue. Here are the top things you should do to remain competitive in the age of Google AI mode. 1. Create AI resistant content. Your content needs primarily to help your audience and answer their concerns and real questions. Here, no news. It needs to be clear, credible, detailed, well structured, and easy for AI to quote. If it's not, your content will not be shown. Use experience, opinion, original search, or storytelling to create content AI can't replicate. If AI is able to generate the content you are looking to produce in a few seconds, forget about it. You are losing. Don't forget that top 10 rankings impact directly AI visibility. Thus, this is still a goal to aim for. Next, make your site agent friendly. Schema markup remains relevant. You have to make sure that Google systems understand your website in detail. Schema helps Google and AI agents decipher your content. Use tools like Google's Rich Results Test to audit structured data like local business, product, persona, service, review. Number 3, target long tail and conversational queries. Search is becoming more conversational. Optimize for complex, highly specific queries. Think best things to do in Paris during autumn as a romantic couple. Also, more personalized. Google will rely on data from Gmail, Maps, or Drive to deliver a more personalized result. AI search aims to provide the best answer for each user. This equals specific, focused responses to exact questions. One way to approach this is to restructure your content and divide it into specific questions with straight answers. Number 4, build content around customer personas and query clusters. Use tools like Also Ask or Answer Socrates to identify related questions and build interconnected content hubs based on how AI breaks down queries. Number 5, be present everywhere where your audience hangs out. Meaning, owning AI citations on Google, publishing content on social networks, YouTube, LinkedIn, being referenced by review sites, forums, and Q&A platforms, creating brand signals that AI trusts. Your content should be discoverable on platforms where AI might pull information. So, feed it with proof of your expertise across the web. Think beyond your website, think ecosystem. Number 6, boost reviews and online reputation. AI weighted businesses based on review volume, review sentiment, brand mentions across trusted platforms. Encourage Google reviews, respond to them professionally, and engage on industry specific sites. Number 7, optimize site speed and technical SEO. Fast loading pages help with scrolling and user experience. Use either page speed insights or GT metrics to diagnose and fix slow loading pages. Number 8, focus on middle and bottom funnel content. Build or update pages like product comparisons, case studies, buying guides, demo videos. These are hard for AI to generate and more likely to convert. Number 9, use real world context and human touch. Pull from experiences, interviews, data, customer feedback. AI lacks first hand experience, and that's your superpower. Number 10, monitor AI search visibility. Use Gemini or Perplexity to simulate AI queries and see what underlying search tasks they run. This gives you insight into what you should optimize for. So here's the reality. Surviving Google's AI mode isn't about chasing rankings anymore. It's about showing up in all the right places at every step of your customer's journey in ways AI trusts. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I create the kind of content AI can't ignore? Not generic blogs, but lead generating, trust building content that shows up in AI results and drives real conversions. That's what I cover in my next video. Smart CEOs leverage topical authority. Here's how. Don't just survive AI mode, thrive.